Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your WhatsApp application. In WhatsApp application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings. In settings, click on the profile picture. Then again click on the profile picture. Here you need to click on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Then click on gallery. Here click on recents and select your high quality image. Then click on done. And in this way you can also set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. If you found this video was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.